What's up, everybody? Forgot to make an intro, so I figured I'd do like a Ty Lopez style intro here. But basically, the video that you're about to see is probably going to be the most sloppy, shitty video that you've ever seen on this channel. Reason why, obviously, for me, was the first time ever doing any type of project like this, and as I'm making this intro right here, I'm in the middle of it actually. So I filmed a little bit at the beginning of some of the basic stuff like draining the oil and transmission fluid, down to when we put the car away, and then I did not have the chance to really record us dropping the subframe and all that kind of stuff. I also didn't record, unfortunately, myself taking off the heads and whatnot, because like I said, I really wanted to make sure that I did it right, and I wanted to take my time with it. But the promise that I will make is that by the time that I am going to put everything back together, especially now that I know where what goes and how the thing is put together and how it works, I'll be able to record that. I want to record some of the painting of the engine block for you guys. But for now, I just wanted to keep you guys in the loop so you don't think that I'm MIA. So hope you enjoy whatever you do get to see. Skip through the longer part. It's kind of boring. I couldn't speed it up anymore. And yeah, hope you learned something from it. And then stay tuned, because I have another video already made of me going through everything after part of the disassembly that I'll be uploading within the next 4 or 5 days for you guys to watch as well. So hope you enjoyed whatever there is to see in this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and if you have a question about anything that I did, make sure to leave a comment. And hope you guys enjoy. See the fluid's all nice and red still? Perfect. All right, what's up everybody? Quick update. Stopped filming a while ago, but got the tensioner, tension off, got the belt off, about to take the fuse box out, got all of this out right here. There we go. A lot of shit there. So, going well, should be able to drop it soon. So didn't get it done fully, but got almost everything out. All the fluids drained, hoses removed, airbox removed. Just a couple more things and it'll be ready to go. So real quick, I was gonna end the video, but then I ended up taking out the crossover pipe as well. And then after that, the starter. And that does not look like a stock torque converter, does it? That doesn't look like that at all. So it's going to be very interesting to see what we find in this engine when we go ahead and pull everything out. Also, there's something marked over there. Not sure what the hell happened. Anyways, that really is going to end the video. So I got pretty far. I probably have, just looking at my little cheat sheet here, I got like 3 more wires that I need to pull out of the car itself before it's all done. Obviously, like I said, we can see that this car's a mess before. We can see that the torque converter there. So it's going to be interesting to see what else we find as we open up the engine. Obviously, I know it doesn't have a different than stock cam in it. I mean, that seems highly unlikely, but we'll see. Maybe it was just a stock trans rebuilt, and somebody thought it was fun to paint the torque converter. Maybe the shop that rebuilt it. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But before I let you guys go, let me just show you guys my spot right here. Got this beautiful car right there. Beautiful car right there. Beautiful car right there. Beautiful car right there. Bunch of awesome cars in here. Anyways, great concept. Got the engine stand here ready to go for tomorrow. Got the bolts in the trunk for it. Got the dolly there for the transmission. Again, this is just based on videos I saw of people doing the exact same engine and transmission. And then here's my old crossover pipe with my new finished headers. Look at these. These look freaking awesome now after they've been ceramic coated. Super excited for that to go on. You guys can imagine that, you know, there's the rest of myself, by the way. You guys got to imagine for a second before I end the video that, you know, forget about all the red that you see in the engine bay as of right now. That is all going to be matte black. And then the valve covers are going to be blue. The coil pack's going to be blue. We're going to have chrome ICT coil brackets there. We're going to have a painted intake manifold, even though I might put the stock one on just to see if the engine runs and everything works well, and then swap it for a Trailblazer intake. I'm not sure yet. We're gonna obviously paint. We're gonna send the heads to the machine shop. We're gonna paint the heads in this aluminum engine paint enamel thing, and then we're gonna do the bottom of the block also blue. I think timing chain blue. It's gonna look awesome. And then we get the chrome headers on. So, anyways, that's where I'm gonna end the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed watching that, and see you guys in the next video.